So we are going to have a go at sharpening a Festool 160 48 tooth track saw blade on my ABM CNC 650 sharpening machine. Whew. Yeah, first things first. You get this on the back, and you get this bit and you screw it on the front. Woodly woodly woo, boom. So now we have a smaller bore. When we open the door here, we can see the inside workings of said machine. And here it is. So I've already got the pin in ready for it, just there. So I'm going to lower the blade in. Okay, pop it on the pin. Spin it round. And that is touching it just the right place. And then we come over here and we push some buttons. Okay, so first of all, we're going to have a look at the saw blade. Okay, I'm going to put the bits in. All right, so we've got all the different parameters here. So I'm going to clamp the saw blade up. Then I'm going to push some buttons. That button there feeds a tooth round, so we do that a couple of times just to get it to the right place. That's the tooth I want to start on. Perfect. Right, so we have set that now just into the right place. I'm going to move that finger out of the way, and then I need to bring this, one more. That's it, start on that angle, perfect. And then we are going to bring down this till it's just in the right place. And then we're going to bring it in. Very slowly. Until we hear it touch. There it is. And then we set it. And then we're going to go down to where the bottom section is. Set. Go back up to the top. And we'll set it. And then that blade is ready to go. So the next job is shut door. And then we push this button here, which starts it. So get to work, Pat. It's Pat Sharp. That's what his name is. It's in a fun house. And that is now cutting the right speed. Just trying to get where it's not grubby so I can see. The oil hits the window, you see, causes a right old kerfuffle. And then you can see here that there's 44 teeth left, and that's the one it's on there. Okay, 43 teeth, and then it's going to flip over to the next one. 42, see, and there, and then as soon as it finishes, the old flashing light comes on. Job's a good one. And now you can see that it's got to 0, and we are all good. So we'll hook that off, and bear in mind it is covered in oil right now. So we're going to take this off, give it a wipe off, and that, oh, it's angry sharp, angry. Yeah, that's how it's done. Bosh.